Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a captivating journey through the fascinating world of marble. In this video, we will explore the remarkable process of mining marble from a quarry and witness its transformation into exquisite slabs at the manufacturing facility. Join us as we unveil the secrets behind this timeless natural stone. Let's begin. Our journey commences at the heart of marble extraction, the quarry. Deep within the Earth's crust, nature has hidden an extraordinary treasure. Here, skilled workers employ state-of-the-art machinery and techniques to bring this magnificent stone to the surface. The extraction process starts with carefully planned drilling patterns on the marble face. These strategically placed holes create controlled fractures within the rock. Next, heavy-duty excavators gently pry the massive marble blocks from their natural beds, ensuring precision and minimizing damage. These blocks, some weighing several tons, are then transported to the nearby manufacturing facility. Now, we transition to the manufacturing facility, where the transformation of raw marble blocks into exquisite slabs takes place. This is a hub of activity, where the timeless beauty of marble is refined through a series of intricate processes. The first step in the manufacturing process is cutting the raw marble blocks into manageable sizes. Advanced machinery, equipped with diamond-tipped saws and precise water jets, expertly slice through the stone, ensuring minimal wastage and maximum efficiency. Once cut, the marble slabs undergo a meticulous inspection. Skilled artisans carefully examine each piece, evaluating its quality and identifying any imperfections. The slabs are then categorized based on their unique characteristics and intended use. Next, the slabs move to the grinding and polishing section, where the true beauty of marble is unveiled. Automated machinery equipped with abrasive discs and polishing compounds work their magic, gradually refining the surface of the slabs. Quality control plays a vital role in ensuring the perfection of marble slabs. Specialists meticulously inspect each slab, scrutinizing it for any blemishes, cracks, or color variations. Only the finest slabs pass this rigorous examination. Once the slabs pass the quality control tests, they are carefully packaged and prepared for transportation. Each slab is handled with utmost care to protect its pristine beauty during the journey to its final destination. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of the marble mining and manufacturing process. We hope you gained a deeper appreciation for this remarkable natural stone. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys and discoveries.